Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello fellow students, let me introduce myself. My name is Novilia M. Andini with NPM 2241217 from Accounting Study Program. In this video, I will discussing about whistleblowing system and gratification. In a company, efforts to create transparency and integrity will not be maximized without an effective oversight mechanism. One form of such oversight in the implementation of a whistleblowing system. The whistleblowing system is a mechanism provided by the company to receive the follow up on reports of violation, deviation, or unethical action occurring in the workplace. This system allows individuals, both from within the company and from external parties, to report information related to behaviors that do not align with the values of good corporate governance. The existence of a whistleblowing system is very important because not all forms of violations can be detected through ordinary internal control system. There are times when practices such as corruption, report manipulation, abuse of authority, or even actions that harm the company can only be revealed through the courage of individuals who know and report these incidents. However, reporting like this is certainly not easy to do. There is a sense of fear, psychological pressure, and even threats that the whistleblower might experience. Therefore, the whistleblowing system must be designed in such a way that it guarantees the confidentiality of the whistleblower's identity, provides protection against possible retaliation, and ensure that the report submitted will be followed up on professionally and objectively. The effectiveness of the whistleblowing system highly depends on the commitment of top management. If management is different to incoming reports or even allows intimidation of whistleblowers, then the system will not function well. The company must build an organizational culture that values the courage to speak the truth and make it part of a collective effort to maintain the company's integrity. Besides whistleblowing, there is gratification, which is one of the forms of deviation that often occurs in the workplace. Gratification itself can be defined as a gift in the form of money, goods, discounts, facilities, or other benefit received by employee or in official due to their position or authority. Although in some conditions, gratification does not always lead to corrupt actions, if left unchecked, it can become the beginning of bribery, practice, or conflicts of interest. It's important for the company to have a clear policy regarding the management of gratuities. Employees must be trained to recognize forms of unethical gratification and provide with guidelines for reporting them. Additionally, the company needs to provide a secure reporting channel for gratifications and document each report transparently. Preventing gratification is not just about rejecting gifts, but also about building awareness that integrity should not be compromised for personal gain. Employees must understand that accepting even the smallest gift related to their position can potentially create injustice or disrupt objectively in decision making. Returning to the connection with whistleblowing, reporting gratifications can also be done through that system. In this way, the company can have accurate data regarding potential violation that occur and immediately take corrective measures. In the long term, the implementation of a whistleblowing system and strict gratification policy will strengthen the company's governance structure, enhance public trust, and create a clean and professional work environment. In conclusion, we can see that the whistleblowing system and gratification control are two important instruments that support the creation of a healthy organizational culture. In the practice of good corporate governance, both are not only considered as tools of supervision but also as forms of commitment to transparency, accountability, and integrity. As Arif Effendi stated, without the courage to expose violation and the awareness to avoid gratification, good corporate governance will never truly be realized. So that's the explain about whistleblowing system and gratification. That's all for this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next video.